Afternoon, everybody. We're gonna do cream cheese brownies. So the first thing you need to do is get a saucepan out. Then you need 10 tablespoons of butter and a half cup of chocolate chips, and you're gonna melt this in your saucepan. A subscriber who has a couple kids and they like to see Bargie. So there you go. Okay, when that's melting, get about an 8 by 10, 11 by 7 pan and line it with foil. I'm melting mine on a 2, just don't let it burn. Keep stirring it around. Okay, once that's melted, you want to put a half a cup plus 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa. So I got mine melted. And you want that to dissolve. That all mixed up. Then you're gonna need 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 3/4 cup of white sugar. So I'm just gonna take mine off the heat till I get it. Okay, pack down your brown sugar, pour that in. So 3/4 of a cup, and then 3/4 cup of the white sugar. And just get this all dissolved. And just keep stirring it. Okay, then you're gonna add a half teaspoon of salt. Two eggs. And just start mixing that up. It's still gonna be kind of gritty, so. And then you need a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, once you get this mixed up, get 2/3 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and you're gonna add that in. Just get this stirred up really well. These are gonna come out fudgy. So when stirring, just add your flour. And just keep stirring till it's all mixed. Okay, preheat your oven to 350. And you're gonna put 3/4 of your batter in your pan. And just spread it around. Okay, now we're gonna make the cream cheese filling. I have to get my mixer out, so I'll be right back. Okay, in your mixer, put 1 8-ounce pack of cream cheese. So you need to put 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And you're gonna whip this up. And I'll be back. Okay, after you've beaten up your cream cheese, you're gonna fold this onto this. Kind of pour it and spread it along. And try to get your corners. Get a spatula. Okay, now with your leftover batter, you're gonna put 1½ tablespoons of water in your batter. Okay, with your batter, take tablespoons and put it down on the cream cheese. keep putting blobs down till you use it all up. Okay, lightly with a skewer. Don't go to the bottom. Just kind of on the top. Start swirling. Don't hit your bottom. And these are gonna bake between 35 and 40 minutes. Just keep swirling it how much design you want. Okay. So there's mine. And I'm gonna bake it and I'll be back when these are done. Okay, my buzzer just went off. There they are. Just let them cool and then you can actually just pull up on the foil and plop it on a cookie rack. And that's it. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It will really help us out. And sorry about the noise. We had a snake on our lanai and my husband had to get the cat out of there so he could get it off the lanai. So, but anyways, you all have a good evening and I will see you tomorrow. We are going to make rye bread. So y'all have a good evening. Bye.